Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss grammar assignment. Half of the assignment we discussed yesterday. Today we are going to discuss question number 2, C part. I hope everyone has the printout of the assignment with them. Hanji, we will. Hanji, Pratham, we'll start with you. C part of question number 2. Read the heading once. Right, appropriate form of verb you have to fill. Hanji. Sit down, but only one blank you have to speak. Success visits those who are industrious. I thought that it is mismatch. Industrious and diligent. If we shirk work, we shall not prosper and shall prosper. The word is prosper. There might be a mistake. It is prosper. We shall not prosper and shall not be happy. Next, Shrey.
Even if we are born with a silver spoon in mouth, we have to work hard.
We should work hard to sustain our inheritance. We should work hard. Next, Sahib. Mankirat, you speak the sentence. Sahib, I'll get back to you. Hanji. Right answer. Hard work builds empire after empire. Next, Hanji Sahib. Thousands of people have been killed or had been killed. It can be taken in past or in present, both ways. In मारे गए हैं. Many people have been killed in a massive earthquake. Next, Raghav, it's your turn, bete. Right, have been destroyed. Next, Bhavika. Have also perished. Next. Yes, Anshika. Have been launched. Passive में आ गया बेटा. Have been launched by the government. Next.
Voluntary organizations have also stepped in to join the relief measures.
Right answer. Have also stepped in. Next. Anji. Look at the last sentence is left. The whole country is contributing generously. कर रही है. The whole country is contributing generously. क्या हम present use कर रहे हैं? If you are taking it in past, then it will be past perfect. If you are taking it, it can be taken in both ways. Right? Hanji. Next. B part, E part. Right answer. India will become. Next. Right answer. But I fear that the rich will become richer and the poor poorer. Next, Sakshi. Right answer. What will happen next? Narendra. Political leaders have literally looted the country to become rich overnight and are still indulged in the loot. Next up. Sorry. And after literally also. Is it missing on your paper? On my paper, it is literally. Sorry, political leaders. अभी भी कर रहे हैं और अभी भी इंडल्ज्ड हैं, है ना? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस देखो ना, आर स्टिल इंडल्ज्ड, अभी भी वो कंटिन्यूशन में है। हाँ जी बेटे, what does it mean? Right answer. Next, Amrit. I will repeat the whole paragraph first. हाँ जी. It hardly matters. Unless the condition of the poor will improve, it hardly matters to them whether India is a superpower or an undeveloped country. I'm going to repeat the whole paragraph once. If you have missed any of the blanks, please fill that. Sit down, Aryan. I think India will become a superpower by 2030, but I fear that the rich will become richer and the poor poorer. Think of what will happen during all these years. Political leaders have literally looted the country to become rich overnight and are still indulged in the loot. What does it mean? Unless the condition of the poor will improve, it hardly matters to them whether India is a superpower or an undeveloped country. Right? And moving further to the third part, that is editing. Have you done this? Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to do this paragraphs and then we'll get back to discuss. Anji Bete. So now we are going to discuss third question, which is editing. There is a mistake in each line. You have to edit that paragraph. You have to mark that mistake and write the correct word. Anji Pratham. We'll again start with you. Right. In place of was, it will be were, because traders is plural. Our subject is plural. Yes, trade. The baker and the butcher were selling. Again, we have double of subject, the baker and the butcher. So it will be were. Next, Sahib. Again, it will be were in place of was. Next. Better you skip the line. Some women right answer. Some women were busy looking at hats and dress materials. Because that is when we type market day was only once a month. Correct answer. There was a fortune teller, right? Right. People were handing him points to know their future.
He was doing a good business.
Right answer. He was doing a good business. A mother with her children was waiting. Subject verb agreement. When two nouns are joined with the preposition with, तो जो फर्स्ट वाला सब्जेक्ट होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम वर्ब यूज करते हैं. सो मदर यहाँ पे सिंगुलर है हमारे पास. सो द मदर विद हर चिल्ड्रन वाज वेटिंग. अगर हमारा सेंटेंस होता द चिल्ड्रन विद देयर मदर, फिर हमारा वर्ब लगता वर, क्योंकि हम फर्स्ट वाला सब्जेक्ट देखते हैं. इज इट क्लियर प्रथम? हाँ जी. So a mother with her children was waiting for her chance to go to the fortune teller. Right. Next, Rijul. Neeti, despite being a nation of 100 million people, sit down. Right. We are yet to produce a fast bowling sensation. Next. No. No, we did produce some batting giants. We did produce some batting giants. Next. Whose turn is it, Bete? Right, but where is the element of athletics in becoming a great batsman? Whose fielding is extremely poor? Fielding is. Yeah, our subject is fielding. We are not to agree the verb with batsman. हमारा जो verb agree करेगा वो fielding के साथ करेगा. हाँ जी, next. Right answer. In place of which it will be who, and in place of who it will be which. The soldiers caught a fisherman who was trying to sell a ring which had king's name on it. Hanji Mankirat. Wait. The ring that had king's name on it. ये भी ठीक है. हाँ जी.
The fisherman had found the ring in a fish who he cut it.
When he cut it. When he cut it, in place of which it will be when. Next, Arshpreet. Right, which he gave to his beloved wife. Next, Twinkle. Messengers. To trace Shakuntala. What correction have you made, Twinkle? Next, Khushpreet. Beta, the same sentence. It was then. In place of when it will be that. It was then that he sent messengers in all directions to trace Shakuntala. Next. What correction have you made? This is the same sentence you have spoken. Which, in place of which it will be who. Right. One day the king met a boy who was playing with a cub. उसके बाद the king came to know. In place of when it will be that. In place of when, it will be that. Right answer. In place of, the king came to know. You can make one correction only. Beta, one, there are always 2 or 3 blanks. One is for the word before and one is for the word after. When you do omission or editing, right? Sit down, Khushpreet. I hope this is clear to everyone. Kanshika, we'll start with you this time. Anji. No, you need not read the question, just tell the answer. That he lied to. That he lied to. Simple present changes to simple past. If he lied. Right answer. I will repeat the whole paragraph for the students who are online. Please cross-check your answers. Simran asked Abhijit what he liked to eat in the morning. Abhijit replied that he liked to eat snacks. Simran asked Abhijit if he liked to eat bananas. Abhijit replied in positive or in affirmation, or simply you can say Abhijit replied that he liked to eat bananas. Nahi, if you write in positive, then it will not. But that depends. It is a whole sentence. You have to change the verb of whole sentence. समझे? हाँ जी बेटा. Next, second question.
Where had her brother gone?
Vidya, where had her brother gone?
Where her brother had gone.
Right.
We replied that he had gone to school. He then asked Tina when his brother was likely to come back. Tina replied that he would come back.
सारा आप पास में कर रहे हैं. Why would you use would? He was likely to come back at.
He was likely to come back at 5:30.
Right. I will repeat the whole paragraph once. Neenu asked Tina where her brother had gone. Tina replied that you can write her brother or he. That's your choice. He had gone to school. Meena then asked Tina when he was likely to come back. Tina replied that he was likely to come back at 2:30. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now moving further. यहाँ पे टीना ने रिप्लाई तो किया ना at 2:30. हाँ जी बेटे. हाँ जी, I hope all the answers of grammar assignment are clear to the students who are online. If you have any doubt, you can write in the chat box. I'll read your doubt and answer. Okay, no doubt to anyone. So we'll end the lecture here today.